Hello guys, in this video I will guide you through steps to connect WhatsApp bot for free, no panel or render needed. Join my WhatsApp channel for more bot updates. Open the site, link is in comment section. Let me take you through the site a bit before we proceed. It has all documentations on bot so you can read and explore more. Don't skip any part of this video because you will need a code to connect the bot. Enter your WhatsApp number in international format. Here may have some redirects, so just press back button when it redirects you somewhere else. Keep watching, code will be showed soon.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.